DJ Duppy. Mossy man, the second place I go. Just a ghetto youth with big dreams, big dreams, big dreams, big dreams. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shake. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Man have things to do, man have things to make. Money pile up in the ceiling, so my thing for set. Stop living at the past, you don't see history yet. Rich me send me work for everything me get. Work for put in that everything to rest. Can't follow people, that's how you miss a step. Me never box from a fighter, they can bring your best. Life in your tongue and cricket neck. I go for my one, coming up done for poor. Just arrive on the dream, I'm gonna stop for snore. I feel make it out of this, them shouldn't lock the door. And the whole place I shape, I drop a bomb for sure. Me get the wings. If you're not hard money, we no link. Shut up. Focus, not even blink. How long man I lose time for win? First place, we are come for the prize, we no shake. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. No matter how the journey rough, turn it round. Can't make no problem, hold you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Now a champagne a bust like a coaster. Roughest life man grow like a soldier. I'm out of pressure when them put on my shoulder. Man never know a real supporter. Bad luck, what's a down Obia? Real governor in a pen, ask Donia. Set man I set it, me no joker. Remember people a fraud, call mocha. Like a ball, me control me emotion. Mind for my money run a program. No, in my face too much doors, so make it out. Them prison trap could no hold man. I used to want
Empress, what about?
Oh, I'm gonna wow with you.
That make it so spicy.
I'm Indian Bobs, and you look water can't out my fire.
Whoa.
Big man, I don't have time for waste.
Boy, you're nice to daughter, but I say peer problem. Problem on top of problem.
I wonder if you know what we marry with.
Yeah, no, go on.
Where you come from?
Because I'm going to come off and look for 1 month.
Yes, I'm here to come and I tell you, I'm follow back. Yes, I tell you, I'm a big car and nice and everything and can out at night time and a class. What going for you?
Pasha, where you coming? Where you the pan?
Where me the pan? You soon know where me the pan. Don't step up a game and see no. Don't step up a game and see who for game and go step up and who go win another game and who go lose.
Pasha, no, I can't take the bag of talking.
You can't take the bag of talking. You can't take the bag of talking. You know what me can't take? Me can't take the bag of follow back away and follow back a man. I remember saying, no, you are my man, so anything what you are doing, I mean, not like it. You have to try to fix it, you know, because you say if you don't fix it, I go and make somebody else fix it for you.
Hey girl, Pasha, like you want man licking in your face.
Here, why? Look what looking at face going to. No man, it come like say something wrong with me ears or something wrong with me. Where really going? When you lick me in my face? It's alright, me go left it to Tyson them. Me not say no more to my mouth, you know, because my mouth look like there's something wrong with this. Stop chat.
Tyson! Boy, you hide.
Babs! Babs, what happened to you, man? Babs, you can't go to Bellevue. You need to get checked out, please. So, Babs, I ask you a question. You never have camera in my house? If you put Spanish fine on my juice, let me see. I'm going to switch it up. You fuck off with teddy bear.
Alive.
Babs, slow me. Me need to put more, please.
That will never happen.
Babs, come here. I'll give back to you.
Bro Jatash, new beginning. Yeah. Look at my shirt, the dirty 2 pounds, not even new shoes. hot stepper. We are like hot pepper. You trying a little hustling.
Woman, me not understand you know. How if you send dog blood for go kill Tyson? Me not tell you what go on already.
Stepper, I didn't send dog blood nowhere. Him is a liar. And furthermore, Pinky in the car. We can't have this conversation right now.
Just watch, man. You know, listen.
I said Pinky in the car. We cannot have this conversation,
All
Stepper.
right.
Mom, what is going on? Who is this Tyson person out here you keep talking about? Like, what is going on?
A child, it's nothing serious, right? Nothing for you to worry your little head about. Pinky, come to your grandmother, yeah? Okay. I'll talk to you later. Right?
Okay, no problem.
Stepper, remember say me bill you. Yeah? Remember you're like a ghetto boy, like your son, Tyson.
You bill me. Not even your house, you know, bill.
It seemed like you forgot what I have done for you. How could you reach where you reach and become the commissioner of police if it wasn't for me?
Of course you played a role. But I'm a very ambitious man. I would have gotten there without you.
Stepper, move your load of nastiness. Your son won't get my niece Monique. And I will fight to the end.
Fight all you want fight. But make this be the last time you try after my son.
Well, I have news for you. Your son can't have Monique over my dead body.
Don't leave it alone and you see what will happen.
You seem like you forgot. I'm a member of parliament and we are the one in power.
Enough bad prayer, me still there same way. Them say me curse, but me still there and I gain weight. 45 pound my belly keep the place safe. Patiently me a work on the payday. Used to wear the one boot without shame face. Mama ball and she pray for the chain break. Jason dead.
I say,
What is it? What is it?
I'm going to tell you, say, I be a vibes in the canteen, bro.
What one?
I'm going to tell you, she say, yo, a bag of thing about me here, bro. I say, yo, every time I do a road and I hear me want to par with me, I want to do shit there, you know?
John, no, brother. Oh, just come like everybody a pick for my son, brother. See me? Money, Canty, radical. You see me? Barbs, no year girl, bro. Watch another dog. We have to do something about this. But watch another dog, we need not to watch no girl thing, brother. You see me? And we apart from baby days. You see me? We watch from basic school, me apart, bro. You see me? That mean a girl come between me and brother. You see me? Brother at least, brother. 1 million girls out the road, you know. Anyway, dog. See me? You know, say, radical sin. Want to come kill my dog. I'm gonna go bust up her head, dog. I have to defend the bro. She can't get the bro. She said that you want to come murder me, dog. See? So you're gonna lift up the thing and we're gonna circle like I'm blowing she live already, bro. You see me? Remember saying I'm gonna go up at the yard. You see me? Go check my father already, but I don't know say I'm white. But I know them I'm gonna circle like brother. Now go some now take this brother. See me now play with my life. See me so we take on the road.
I don't know what could have caused all the mess up me. Yeah, come on. Girl, one piece of something look wild with me and look a big idiot Indian him. You know some day I good gonna chat to the boy about him and Tyson. I say if you ever hear the boy I go out with my girl. If you ever hear my style, me I go about all lick in her face, you know. Good lick in her face, you know. My neat look a cute face, you know. Yeah. Why me don't call you and I tell lie? Just look wild. Maybe like 5 minutes ago, girl. No man, he come like say him forgot a onion pash. Hey. Him not doing the search, man. But don't worry yourself, good girl. You know my style already. Me, I go fix boy. Cause me say fix boy. Yeah, him feel like some man no want me. I lie my tail. I go show him something.
It never too late for the rain come down. Never too late for the rain come down. We in the fault, but one man won't stop, you know.
Clean Whale Records.
Claim your blessing now. Sometimes life stress me out. Depressing body, me know it rough.
I know I haven't come to you in a while, but I need your guidance. Please don't let me mess up. Oh God, Father, please let this be the right decision. I am not sure about this guy Tyson, but I really like him. He is from a place that I'm not familiar with, which is the ghetto. Please, Lord, just open my eyes. Amen.
Babs, meet Fiona. Fiona, Babs.
Hi, boy.
Lady, I don't really want to meet nobody.
Ease yourself, now, man. Yeah, so you're top team, see? You alone can't get the job done.
Well, this one is feisty.
You want me to show you feisty?
Babs, calm down. Playtime over now.
I'm calm. I'm saying I'm calm.
Yo, Fiona, you can't make money no say I'm me send you. And Babs, me don't want no more thing with you on a teddy bear.
Lady, action me the youth. And right now, pay talking and going so.
Boy, this girl seems like she's gonna be a big problem, you know.
She can't be a problem to me. Fiona, it's like you don't know who I am. Get this thing done, you know.
How are you going there, sir? Oh, you're the informer. Oh, liar.
Calm yourself. No bother with it, because you can't bully her.
Oh, so you send her to set me up. You're playing dirty games.
The only thing dirty is your character. And you're up there, look, man.
Excuse me, Mr. Stepper. I'm not involved into this.
You don't need to say anything to him. I am the boss.
All right, boss. Skit. We going to find out how it will end.
Stepper, just move and go on. Me I conduct business. Just go on. Fiona, you don't need to be afraid of him. I am the big shark in the pond.
Okay, Radical. You call the shots.
Yeah, come here.
What go on, Ella?
There. You're that spiritual man, you know, I can't see things. You're a woman uptown, you want to murder your bomber clot, you know.
You hear this?
Yo, we need you to be careful. We need you to be very careful.
Charlie, bro, I'm telling you this thing. You know, see, come like say you're right, brother. I go to a look situation that's for true, you know. See me. Chill now, brother. Respect for your talk still in the end.
Alright.
Give me wise man. What's your name?
I can.
Alright, big up yourself, I can. Yo, I have to do something. Big up, yeah?
Bless.
Yo, lift up the thing there, lift up the thing. Chaja. Brother, man, watch on brother. I forget it, bro. I never want to do this and that, but the woman said, I want to come kill me, brother. See me, say, I test my patience, bro. See me.
Anything or anything, man.
When I pull up on her block.
Anything or anything.
I know it's partially living there, brother. See me, because I'm a go up to my father already, you know. See me, so we're going to circle him too, brother.
Oh, Monique, I'm so sorry. I owe you an apology. I find out what's going on.
What do you mean? What do you mean, Uncle? What's going on?
You know me see your friend and your auntie over at gas station today.
What? Uncle Stepper, what are you saying? Because right now I'm so confused.
Well, me see your friend and your auntie are linked. I plan everything.
Oh, the betrayal. I'm going to pop her ass.
Pop her ass, Monique. She deserve a beating.
Of course she does. And that is exactly what I'm going to do.
Oh shoot, Monique is calling me. Hi, Monique.
Fiona, come and meet me at the restaurant, please. We need to talk.
Okay, I'm on my way.
Hi, Fiona. I didn't know you was Truda's sister. No. What? No. I can't believe that you are the snake. You are the one who was plotting against me with my aunt.
Monique, nothing like that. Nothing like that.
Fiona, you know you're drying me out.
Monique, you really does slip me.
You're nothing but a snake.
You just drug off my expensive wig.
This girl. This damn girl.
Aunt Radical, Monique just boxed me and jug off my wig.
You see a duppy. You send man to come kill me, radical. You never know me a step or two. That's how fight. You send dark blood to kill me. You send dark blood to kill me when you know about me. See, you don't know me, you know you don't know me. All me do, I like your little niece. You see me I say, Mr. Radical. Look now, you face a judgment.
Tyson, you know the game where you play.
You look like me I play a game to you?
You look like me afraid of you.
What is going on in the house?
Don't move.
So you kill your little sister.
Little sister?
Little sister? That Ghetto boy is my brother?
Hold on there. I'm a sister this?
I have a big brother?
Hold on. Step on the daughter.
Yes.
In the flesh.
Hold on. Save the day to the hair. John, no, you have a sister. I can't do this. But here we go on now. You see your mother? Your mother one wicked one. Your mother send man to come kill your big brother.
Wow.
And that's why we're there tonight in a position here. See me? We have to meet us still.
Wow, look at how I had to meet my big brother.
I'll tell you. But here we go on now. She's living life here. What's your name, sister?
Thank you.
Okay, it's Tyson.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you, my sister. I want to talk to you, alright? I want to talk to my sister. Fuck up again. Boy, my sister, I never did want to see them to you.
I've never even been close to one of those in my life.
I'm not a bad person, you know, my sister. I'm from the ghetto, but I'm not a bad person. I'm not really a criminal. I used to live this lifestyle. I put it down, you know? So I make you know what's going on, you know? So one day I came up here to visit your father. Because I didn't know you were daughter, I didn't know you were a wife. You know? And I met Monique and your mom. I didn't know she was a mom at the time. And I like half Monique took my number, start talk. I'm all fancy your mother hired me. Because of where I came from. But I got news for you. You know that your father is from the ghetto, you know?
What?
Yeah, he's the commissioner of police now, but he's from the ghetto. And that's how I came into play.
Everything is so confusing at this point.
Yeah, but just glad to get to know my sister. You know what I mean? And I hope we can have a band. See me? Give me a number. Or matter of fact, take my number. Take my number. Alright? Let's put it here.
Number?
871-5131. Make sure you see it's a better Tyson.
Big brother Tyson.
Yeah.
I've always wanted a big brother.
Yeah. It's really free good to have a look at sister too, you know? Yeah, man. So from now on, nobody trouble you. You can't leave, brother. I'm gonna play about my family, you know.
No, brother.
See, I can't leave money, I love half money, you see me? Just to understand that. Talk to your mother too. Can't believe what I said, man, kill me. I'm gonna go do something.
That's how she is.
Well, I'm glad to see you, man. But anyway, I'm gonna leave. Take care of yourself. I love you, my sister.
Love you too, brother.
Alright.
Rotted Tyson, we all did a house with them big gun here.
My father, you know what time of day it is, you know? I know disrespect, you know what time of day it is. Your wife said, man, if you kill me, I'm never take that.
So you had to defend yourself?
I'm for you. Anyway, me and my little sister still, you see me?
Yeah.
No violation thing, everything question, man.
Alright.
Talk to your wife.
Girl, you could never believe what I just heard. My head is hurting so bad. Like literally. You would never believe this.
Want me daughter?
No. That I'm so disappointed
With
in
what
you.
now?
I had no idea that I had an older brother. And I've always thought about that.
Why daughter you don't understand is a mess up situation.
To be honest, all I understand is that I have an older brother now. And both of them, my mom and my older brother, could have been killed each other.
Well my daughter, I have this under control now.
Dad, I really don't want to talk to you right now. Please just leave my room.
Hey, Pinky.
Hi.
You okay?
Not really. I need to speak to you about something.
Okay.
Actually, I just really want to apologize about how I was speaking to you the other day.
Okay. You were very rude and out of place. That's okay. But it seems like something is bothering you though. What's wrong with you? What's going on?
Honestly, I surprised. Actually, he's a sweet person. Very sweet person.
Why are you saying that? What happened?
Because after everything, we sat down and we spoke about everything.
Pertaining to?
Our relation and all of that. And plus, my mom sent somebody to kill him first.
Yeah, but that still doesn't give him any right to come here with a gun for her.
Eventually, I would retaliate. Maybe it's just in our blood.
That's just crazy. Pinky, I'll talk to you later, okay?
Okay.
Hello? Tyson, hi. I heard about what I did since night and I wasn't pleased. Remember, we're supposed to meet up. I need to talk to you.
You hear what we want this night? Saying you the whole story.
I heard, but come on. You didn't have to do that.
Money, listen to me. Your auntie said that hitman to kill me. See?
And that's understandable.
No, I'm not going to sit and wait for somebody to kill me. Next thing, you have a dream where you're in the night, you know. No, you're smiling right now. It was such a sexy, you know, such an amazing dream. Until my dream say you try to stop me in my heart.
What?
Yes.
I would never do such a thing.
Yes, my dream say back a big night for me. Anyway, but there I think boy from there, you know, man. And you kind of save your auntie too. And now I'm back in the past, me and think right do that also. But right now, more me to link up. See me, think of time me link up, you know. See me, I invite you up, but when I go run the road, you get me, what's up to movie or something, drink some wine, you know. What you think? I don't know, I'm not pass my place.
As long as you know to keep your hands to yourself, that's fine by me.
Then babes, 2 hands me have, man. One for me and one for you.
Okay.
Alright. Well, Monique, you know, this is my little castle. You know, when you're used to the lavish and the luxurious houses, you know? This is my castle, this is what I can afford. See me, so invited to my place. You come inside, can have a look at dinner and watch a movie, something, I don't know. But before you go inside still, you're gonna need a search.
What?
You're gonna need a search.
A search for what?
Remember, I tell you about the dream I have, man, you remember? Can I take the check with you, you know?
Okay.
Give me a small search, man, I know you want a knife for me. Chill. Oh, yeah, a knife. Body feel nice, though.
Remember, I tell you to keep your hands to yourself.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna tell you 2 and me still, you know. One of mine and one of you, but you're gonna be able to say for see.
Okay.
So, we can go inside, watch a movie. See me, I'm supposed to have a buckle of Moscato in there, can have a drink. You know, can cook some dinner for you if you're there long enough.
Okay.
So, you know what I mean? Step inside the castle.
Thank you. So Tyson, you don't have any AC?
AC? Oh, yeah, us?
Very.
Welcome to the ghetto, man. Say, you know, them life, you know. You probably feel that way about your auntie and things still, but your auntie violate you, know.
I do. Remember, I told you from the get-go, I don't want to be with a bad man.
I'm not going man, man. I'm good youth, but I different myself. I'm going to tell you them lifestyle. I'm lifestyle, you know. Boy, I'm pretty young to do still. Brrrr. You stuff, you know. It's different enough, you know, to the max, you know. But your auntie violate me. Jimmy, that no I'm not against her. You know, I understand, you know. See, hope she understand herself. See, but no love her, you know. Yeah, get you. You ask her something for you still. I'm going to tell you that outside I must start, man. And you know, white variety on it, you know me, a chance. So come, champagne and cola down. What you look for? What I kind of like what you say. Make sure you bring your glass come in the car. I had an encounter recently with the crazy ex. See me?
What happened?
I'm come yard. I try Spanish fly, but that's a long story. You don't even want to get there. So make sure you bring your glass come so you know some of that Spanish fly. See? Much start to do. This time drink, baby. Got the cool, put it on my own. How much?
No, this is fine, thank you.
I'm going to drinky, like that. You know, drink more, you see? Sure.
Blocks are gone.
A dream boy, you see, baby. Unique. Smells me to a good thing, man. But I don't dream about you, and not tell you. There's all fire, you know?
What
And
was the thing about?
well, I tell you what you want to know. And it's the last part I dream, and like, when you try to murder me. So, that's the way it goes for me. I'm going to church every week.
I did not come here for this.
You don't remember, you know? That's not for you, you for you.
Active music. That girl are kinda different in that. I swear, brother. Mom's not fuck a bagger, man, you see it.
Excellent, she excellent. Yeah.
You mean with the pussy balls you make blue? No excuse tonight your walls I get bruised. Fuck time panty fly, jet blue. Body hot pussy wet mine you catch flu. Spunk up your body jam make you get rude. Clean piece a gal you never smell like cesspool. Deserve the world, sunshine. 10 moon a bag a man a try and never get through. I will buy you roses. Baby you can have anything you need. I'll climb a mountain for you. Anybody be said them a figure bleed. I will buy you roses, yeah. Wife material I couldn't for the street. I will buy you roses. I got this your pussy tonight you a go breed. Tell Ella me now, come on. Turn up the sound, make you light chip up. Girl, wine for me have a kind for you. Any money in the pocket, but my life must stop. Roll up with fire.
Sandra, do me a favor. Can you get our client Tyson on the phone? Yes, I have that contract for him to sign. Thank you so much. Yes, Mr. Tyson. Again, we're so sorry about your grandfather's passing. But the good news is that you are the only one that is in his will. So I'm just gonna need you to come over and sign the papers, and congratulations, you're gonna be a very rich man. Okay, we'll look forward to it. Just let Sandra know, and I'll hook you back on the line with her.
Must be mad. A second place I go. Just I get a youth with big dream, big dream, big dream, big dream. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Man have things to do, man have things to make. Money pile up in the ceiling, something for set. Stop living at the past, you don't see history yet. Rich me send me work for everything me get. Work for put in, not even think for rest. Can't follow people, that's how you miss your step. Me never box from a fighter, better bring your best. Life in your tongue and cricket it. I go for my one, coming up down for poor. Just arrive on the dream, I'm gonna stop for snore. I feel make it out of this, them shouldn't lock your door. And the whole place I shape, I drop a bomb for sure. Me get the wings. If you're not talk money, we no link. Shut up. Focus, not even blink. How long man I lose time for win? First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. No matter how the journey rough, turn it round. Can't make no problem, hold you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Now a champagne a bust like a coaster.